Welcome back to Real Extreme Fishing. Today we're going to be heading down to the creek/river. We're going to fish the creek and then head into the river. I've fished this spot many a times before on this channel. I'm actually getting a late start. It's around, by the time I get down here fishing, it'll be right around 9 o'clock. I have been fishing this morning, but no luck. I was trying another section of the river, but I had a couple little nibbles, but nothing really. So I'm never going to put that footage in this video. But we're going to make our way down to the creek. We'll meet you there and see if we can catch some fish today, guys. So stay tuned. Alrighty, guys, this is what we're going to use. This is a Zoom Fat Albert. Same lure I was actually using in my last video. I was fishing them in the creek and they really produce. So we're going to try them here in the river. Actually went to the part of the creek where I wanted to fish, but there was it was loaded with people. But this color is called watermelon seed. It's a watermelon with black flake. So we're going to give these a shot today and see if we could catch some fish. As you can see, the river looks freaking awesome. I just have this tied on with I believe this is like a 1/10, might be a 1/8 ounce jig head right here. Open hook. So I'm probably going to be losing these today. But let's give it a shot. Lots of rocks right here. Not seen many weeds. First spot I fished this morning was full of weeds. Looks awesome in the water. That watermelon color. Just gonna swim it. Jig it every now and then. Keep it close to the bottom. Oh, that rain this week we probably got a couple inches of rain this week. Really helped this river out. It's been really dry in Pennsylvania. Late spring. Yeah, this spring it's been really dry. We'll give this a shot here. It's just kind of an experiment because, like I said, my last video I used it. I was having trouble all day catching fish. So I switched it up to this salt and pepper color. I was able to catch some fish, so. Throw it around a little bit. Train's coming behind me, so I apologize for the noise. Oh, one just hit it, guys. Just got my first bite right here. It's probably right behind this rock in front of me. Decent bass, too. I got him. Ah! Guys, that was a decent fish. I'll show you what type of knot we're going to use on these guys. As you can see, that we got a loop knot tied on here. This way, the reason why I like using loop knots anytime I'm swimming anything, or see this here? So as this is going through the water, you're just going to get a lot more action with a loop knot. Like I said, guys, anytime you're swimming baits, use a loop knot. Got to keep this off the bottom. I want to keep losing lures here. There's a fish. Ah, there was one on there as soon as it hit the water. There's a fish. Small. Followed it right in, I think. Oh, popped off. Little guy. I don't know, I just threw it way out there and it seemed to get a bite. Sure what I keep getting snagged on though. I mean, I'm reeling pretty quick. There's just logs out there. Let's get on this big rock here. Throw it that way. Yeah, just hit the bottom. And move down. It's all rocks. It's gonna keep losing lures if I don't move that. A gorgeous day it is out here today. There is some chance of some storms later. Hopefully they hold off, but there's a fish. Man, they keep popping off with these hooks. That's 2 of them we lost. What's going on here? There's another one, guys. This one's good. Stay on, baby. Seems like a good fish. So hard to tell with these smallies, though. They fight like crazy. Yeah, that's a nice fish. All right, buddy. We got you. Oh, come here, bro. There we go. There he is, guys. That's the first one of the day. That's a good start right there. At the top of the lip. Nice fish. All right, guys. We might have found a good spot here. 2 casts, 2 fish. Which I only landed the one, but I'm trying to get on this rock here. Haven't been here very long. I missed 2, caught 1, and maybe about 10 minutes. But I'm telling you, the river conditions are perfect. Water level's great. We got some stain. Couldn't ask for a better day. Oh my God! Right here, huge! Guys, huge bass. He's probably right, there's a rock right here? I'm guessing he was right under that rock. There's a fish. Oh my God, guys, it's huge. Don't you come off. Don't you come off, please. It's huge. Let's take my time with him. Oh my God, he's pulling dry, guys. Please don't come off. Be a nice fish. Okay, okay. Okay, okay. Okay, okay. We got you. Nice fish, guys. My God, guys, look at this fish. What a bass. That was awesome. We got like a 2-pounder here. Unbelievable. I'm gonna let him go here, guys. Oh, bro, chill, chill. All right, guys, let's keep this going. That's 2 fish. Yeah, he kind of shredded this lure. I'll try to keep using it. I don't know if it's going to swim very well. I'll try it. What a fish, though. I will take it. There's a fish. See, they're running like, they run right at me. That's why I'm losing them, but we got this one pinned pretty good, though. Not a bad one. See you, dude. Okay, let's get it back out there. Set number 3. But that's what they're doing. As soon as they get hooked, they're swimming at me. That's why I'm losing a couple. That one I almost lost too, because he did the same thing. They're smart, you know? They know how to get off the hook. Yeah, this is where we're gonna try. See this big rock right here, guys? This is a lot of times this is where the bass will hang out. But behind here, and as soon as some type of bait comes down, they kind of swallow it up. So that's just a little hint. So if you are like creek or river fishing and you see big rocks out of the water like this and it's pretty deep, there's a good chance there's gonna be a fish there. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cast past that rock and just bring it back right in front of me here. See if there's a fish there. See what I mean? There's a fish. See, guys? Oh, come on, man. That was a good fish. These hooks, man. And right on the other side of that rock, that's where he was. And he came off. Why am I losing so many? That was good. Felt really nice. Man. All right, guys, we switched it up here. Losing way too many fish on that, but try to Nico Leech. This is a 3.8-inch bait. And the name of this color is Magna. All right, let's give it a shot. All right, this is what we're gonna try. Like I said, Z-Man Baby Goat. This is the color. This is called Hot Craw. Let's see if this makes a difference. This is it right here. It's got the couple little like pinchers right here, so the color of a crawfish. So let's give it a shot, guys. Just gonna Texas rig this. Okay. Now's the test. I haven't gotten a bite 45 minutes or so with the leech. I'm gonna cast this around a little bit. There's another good one, guys. My God. Don't you come off, please. Don't jump. All right, guys. Another nice fish here. Man, look at that fish. Switch it up to that baby goat. My craw imitation. I figured it would work with all the crawfish on the shoreline dead, so I did see some swimming around as well. There he goes. That is awesome. I'm at that point, I get like nervous, especially when I get a big fish on, thinking it's gonna come off. Tell you what, guys, this lure always produces for me. And there it is right there. Like I said, you have like, it's like two pinchers right here with almost like a TRD body with some ridges that go along the body here. Alrighty. I'm happy again. I don't know if the camera picks it up. So basically, other things I look for on the river systems here, basically this is what we're looking for. Where we have all the current that comes down here, guys. If you can see, like right in here, this round pool area, that's kind of where I threw it. And that's where they hang out. They're not always in the strong current. A lot of times we're on these little slack pools here. And it's deeper there, so that's kind of, there's another one. See, guys? See where I threw that? Right on the edge line. Come on, let's get him in first. Right on the edge line of the current there. As soon as I hit the water. Don't spike me. There's another one, not as big. Decent little fish though. It's got some teeth. Okay, so we got two here. So same thing in front of me, to the left a little bit here. Same type of thing. It looks pretty deep. The edge line of the current. Ooh. I felt like a bite. There's a fish. Man, these fish are jumping like crazy today. Every one. I'm just gonna take it easy with them. Maybe I'm horsing them too much, maybe. Nice little bass here. This one's probably about 10 inches. They're fun to catch. This looks good right here. Try way out there. Oh yeah, there was a bite. Oh yeah. Oh, guys. Come on, babe. Don't you come off either. Come on. Man, it's big fish, guys. Come here. Come here, come here, come here, come here, come here, come here, come here. Oh, man. Look at that fish, guys. Another nice bass. Nice. It's about 1.5 pounds right here. Can't complain, right? Look how dark he is, too. Hey, bro. Thanks for the bite. There's a fish. There we go. Another one. God, I don't even know how many cut. I don't know how many fish I'm up to now. Yep, there's another one. There's a whole slew of them right there, I guess. Same size. Man, this one's a little smaller. Yeah, a little smaller. Not by much. Yeah, so basically, those last two fish I got, they're like a little channel that runs right through here. Just throw it right back there once I get my bait fixed here. All right, let's get it right back over there. Right there. Oh, I missed them. They're all like right in this channel right here, guys. There he is. Nice fish, wow. Nice fish. I'll take that one. Like I said, there's this little channel right in front of me here. Probably about 15 yards out. There he goes. There's another one. Move down maybe 10 feet. Another nice bass here. Man, what a day. What a day. Come here. Come here. Open your mouth. I'm going to let you go if you open your mouth. All right, we got you. Ew. Whoa, what do you got on you? Look at those sores. That's nasty, bro. Good luck to you. Alrighty guys, that's gonna do it. We ended up having a really good day on the river here. We started the video off with a Zoom Fat Albert, caught a few fish on that. Then we switched it up to a Nico Leech, nothing. I fished that for probably about 45 minutes or so. And then I seen, like I said in the video, I seen all these crawfish on the shoreline dead, and I also seen some swimming. So I'm like, I'll throw something that resembles a crawfish, which then I threw on the Z-Man bait. The name of that bait was called Baby Goat. Awesome bait. I fish that for bass all the time, and it always produces a decent amount of fish. So, anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Have a great day.